I am Julian.
I am Anja.
And we did our master's degree in optical system technology, optronics at TU Ilmenau.
You research the path of light
and how to utilize it in different technical applications.
You get to choose between the physical-optical characteristics, the mathematical IT background of it, or the constructional aspect of light. How can I make use of light in technology or in different areas like medicine?
First, it is all about the basics. During the masters, you get to choose your favorites. It is very intense. What is going on right now in our area?
I went for optronics because it is very hands-on. You get to learn about the equipment and can actually use it. I also learned about the balance between technology and optics during many internships. The learning environment is excellent, and so is the standard of living.
Once you are here, find a learning group. Friendships then happen almost by themselves. There are several great ones. If you join one straight away, you will meet people and enjoy your studies twice as much.
If you want to join an industry project, then there are company cooperations. It is not hard. If you would rather do research, that is not a problem either. Pick a research-related topic and off you go.
Our degree program Optical System Technology, Optronics in 3 words. Individual, inspiring,
laser.